Alright, so here's the thing. The guys, they don't really think I'm a mechanic. And I haven't always been a mechanic. But I got this newfound confidence. So, you're gonna see. I decided to do my own work on my truck. And we're prepping the Daytona truck right now. So, I went to 1aauto.com, watched a little how-to video, knew that my Chevy Silverado out there needed a drive shaft put in. And the guys are at lunch. So I took it upon myself to do it. Now I got all the confidence in the world to go do it myself. Got a quality drive shaft, and it's in. I think the guys are gonna be pretty shocked, but I think I did a good job. We'll see what Andrew thinks.
Not bad. Go to 1aauto.com, check it out.
Tune in and watch number 20, 1A Auto, Chevy Silverado.